Whey protein can be a tremendous tool for those looking to lose weight. Men and women can both use whey protein shakes to increase their weight loss results. A lot of people think whey protein is only for bodybuilders, and that's not true. That's why today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use whey protein for weight loss. Here are the 7 best tips and steps for beginners. Number 1. Understand what whey protein actually is. Whey is the liquid part of milk that gets separated when cheese is made. If you've ever opened the yogurt container and have seen a watery substance at the top, this is whey protein. This liquid substance is what is turned into powder form to create whey protein. Just in case you're wondering, this process also cuts out the 95% of the lactose, so if you're allergic to dairy, you really have nothing to fear. Number 2. Understand the different types of whey protein powder. There are 3 main forms of protein powder: whey concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Concentrate is about 70 to 80% protein with some milk, sugar, and fat. Isolate is 90% protein and has a little less sugar and fat. Hydrolysate is also known as hydrolyzed whey, has virtually zero sugar and fat, and is mixed with enzymes for faster digestion into the bloodstream. So, you may be wondering, does the type of protein matter? Not really. The minute differences between the 3 are not enough that it should cause you any stress or concern. Number 3. Understand why whey protein works so well for weight loss. There are 3 particularly compelling reasons. 1. It will keep you full. Protein can cut down sugar cravings by as much as 60%. 2. It's easy. As long as you have a blender bottle on hand, all you need to do is add water, which is great to have on the go or at work where eating healthy is more difficult. 3. It preserves lean muscle tissue when dropping weight. This ensures that when you do lose weight, majority of it is fat. Number 4. Whey protein has lots of other proven health benefits, which helps the body function better and makes weight loss easier. Whey protein improves muscle performance, lowers blood pressure, reduces symptoms of stress, helps you get in more water naturally, and contains a small amount of antioxidants. These are all additional reasons why whey protein is important and helpful for weight loss. Number 5. What are the best times to take whey protein? You can take it 30 minutes before or after your workouts. This has been shown to help with muscle development and recovery after a workout. Another option is 30 minutes before meals or dining out. This will help keep you from binge eating and give you more control over what you eat when you're out with friends or family. Finally, you can use it as a healthy snack. If you ever get chocolate cravings that hit you midday, you can have a chocolate protein shake instead and save yourself from all the sugar. Number 6. What should you mix it with? Water or unsweetened nut milks like cashews, almonds, and coconut work best. Try to avoid using milk as it has a good amount of sugar. Other options to use protein is in oatmeal, Greek yogurt, and smoothies for a flavor boost. This really adds a great taste to otherwise bland, healthy foods. Number 7. How much whey protein should you have per day? The most common dosage is 25 to 50 grams per day, which would be 1 to 2 scoops depending on what brand you choose. There's no limit on the amount you can take, but since you'll be getting protein from other sources throughout the day, anything more than 2 servings of whey protein per day would be a bit much. Be sure to check the description below for the best whey protein brands we recommend for weight loss. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with anyone you think may find it useful. For more videos of health and wellness remedies, please subscribe.